was once your neighbor. Well, I think you might remember me. Each autumn with the falling leaves, I stole the apples from your trees. And I hid beneath that yellow spruce, and I chucked them at your concrete goose. Looking back, I guess I was a dick. But strange as hell to be back here. It's almost been a dozen years. This place, it hasn't changed a bit. I still remember all of it. Your wind chimes still reflect the sun, and the dents from my old BB gun. It almost feels like I was never gone. I'm not sure what I came to tell. My father said that you're not doing very well. I guess that I just had to see what came of you. Yeah, it's true what all the people say. I spent some time in Pickaway, 18 months and 7 days and 13 hours in that place. To society, I paid my debt, but society won't forgive me yet. I still ain't found a job with decent pay. But I'm a different man today. I've cleaned up and changed my ways. I keep my demons hidden in a closet with my other sins. And I will never open it, though it's hard some days, I must admit. I've gotta keep that straight and narrow line. Still there are days I think of here. What if I had just stayed another year? Would this all have gone so bad? Where would I be? And so I'm sorry, Mr. Abramson. I'm sorry about the things I'd done. I'd pay you back for everyone if I had money, but I got none. So I guess this is an IOU. For now that's gonna have to do, until I get my feet back on the ground.